following areas in Vermont: Burlington, Essex, Shelburne, Colchester, Western Jericho, and Western Underhill. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Locations: Interior, West Vermont. Hazard types: heavy snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 9 to 13 inches. Temperatures: falling into the upper 30s by Wednesday evening. Visibilities: half a mile or less at times. Timing: the strongest winds and heaviest snow will occur Wednesday evening into Thursday morning. Impacts: heavy snow and winds will make for dangerous driving conditions with visibilities near zero and whiteout conditions. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Hazards include heavy ice accumulations with some snow and sleet accumulations. 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of ice accumulations are expected. Snow and sleet accumulations will vary greatly from 1/2 inch to up to 3 inches. Wintry precipitation will quickly overspread the region late this afternoon into the evening. An offset of freezing rain, sleet, and snow is expected, before changing over to all freezing rain later in the evening. The freezing rain will then be moderate to locally heavy at times as it continues into the overnight hours. Travel will be extremely dangerous, primarily due to ice accumulations. The ice will accumulate appreciably in a short period of time. Untreated roads and sidewalks will become a sheet of ice. Heavy ice accumulations will likely take down tree limbs and power lines. Remember, an ice storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of ice accumulations will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. Commerce will likely be severely impacted. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Ice accumulations and winds will likely lead to snapped power line and fallen tree branches that add to the danger.